Hey there guys, let's make this cute little umbrella. You should have 5 little half pipe cleaners, so let's go ahead and get started. You're gonna take 1 pipe cleaner and you're simply gonna go around and make a little circle, overlapping like this, and then just bend those ends down and go around. And you will have a nice circle. Beautiful. All right, now we're going to make our little umbrella shape. So you can kind of make it however you want. If you want it to be taller, it can. I like to make the little flat ones that kind of have the little pointed edges. So I just kind of bend it until I find this little shape that I like here. Kind of pinch those edges. That looks pretty good, so that's a really good top. I like him, he's cute. All right, so after you're happy with your little top, mold it, shape it how you want it. Our next step is going to be to add a little brace. And we're going to just simply, very small amount, overlap over that top and gently twist it around. And then bring it straight down the middle, and we're going to go over and around the bottom and very gently just push it together, kind of twisting it together, keep it in the center, and then you're gonna let that hang out for right now, okay? He's gonna end up being the bottom of our umbrella, but we're gonna let him hang out for right now. You're gonna grab a new little half, and you're going to connect on to the edge of your umbrella right up here. So you're gonna take this little edge and just wrap around like we have been. To secure the brace, we're gonna secure this on, and then we're just gonna simply go across. I like to block it with my finger and bend towards my finger, turn the piece, and pinch it in place. What we call a little wrap. So we're just gonna wrap around, and then once we get here, we're gonna need to extend. When you extend, you simply go crisscross like this with 2 ends, twist them together, and now you have a fold. So now we're gonna keep going. Same pattern, simply getting to the edge, not pulling, not making this super tight, and just keep going. And we need to extend again. Here, and then at the bottom here, we're gonna go around, and we are gonna stop right here and wrap around this edge so that we've locked it all in place. And then I'm gonna kind of go like this because I like it to be a little bit droopy on the sides, okay? And then we're just gonna simply come up here with this guy. If you want to find a way to push in between, you can like that. It'll be a little more secure, and then simply twist around, twist all the way down, and you're gonna make this little handle here, nice and twisted, and then you're simply gonna form it into a little J hook, like the bottom part of an umbrella. And there you have it, all the rain that comes in the spring. We hope you guys had a lot of fun. Make sure you show off your umbrella to people, show it to us, get on Instagram and tag us at Ascend Art Co if you can. Thanks so much for hanging out, for having fun, for crafting, for doing something new, and happy spring and happy twisting.